Good morning. Our lesson today about the area of rhombus. First, I want you to remember that the rhombus is a special case of parallelogram. Rhombus is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral meaning has four sides. The properties of the rhombus, it has four sides. It's a quadrilateral. Each two sides are parallel and equal. The rhombus is like square. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. The difference between square and rhombus, in the square we say that the two diagonals of the square are equal. Here in the rhombus, the two diagonals are different in length. So we called it the diagonals of the rhombus, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, because they are different in length. To calculate the area of the rhombus, we have two rules. The first one, if I have the side length of the rhombus and the height, the corresponding height to this side, I can use the first rule, which side length by height. Length by height. The other rule, if I have the rhombus, I have the two diagonals of the rhombus, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. I can find the area of the rhombus by using half by diagonal 1 by diagonal 2. I can say like the square half by diagonal, because in the rhombus the two diagonals are different. So I should say half by diagonal 1 by diagonal 2. To remember that if I want to find the perimeter of the rhombus, it's like the perimeter of the square, because the rhombus and the square, the side lengths are equal. The four sides are equal. So the perimeter of the rhombus equal side length by 4. If I have the area of the rhombus and we wanted to find diagonal 1 or diagonal 2, I will remind you by the magic triangle. We use it in the class. When I make the magic triangle, I will put the area on the top, and down I write half by diagonal 1 by diagonal 2. If I want to find diagonal 1, so I will have the area on the top. I will make area by 2 divided diagonal 2. If I want to find diagonal 2, I will make area by 2 divided diagonal 1. This is to find diagonal 1 or diagonal 2. Okay, now let's see some exercise about find the area of rhombus. Here we have rhombus, the two diagonals. One of them is 6 centimeter and the other one is 8 centimeter. So to find the area of the diagonal, first I will write the rule half by diagonal. Then I will make half by 6 by 8. It will be equal 24. Here, if I have the rhombus and I don't have diagonals, this is a rhombus. We have the side length 12 centimeters, so the four sides will be equal. Each one will be 12 centimeter, and I have a height of 6 centimeters. So I can use the same rule of area of parallelogram. It's side by height, side length by height. I starting with the side, it's a 12 by 6, and the area will be 72. Next, here we have, if I have the length of the diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Here we have two different diagonals because we're talking about rhombus. They are not equal. To calculate its area, I will write the rule half by diagonal 1 by diagonal 2 to find the answer. So it will be half by 10 by 24 equal 120 centimeter square. And don't forget, any area, the measuring unit with square, centimeter square. Okay, now we will see if I have the area of the rhombus and we wanted to find the diagonal. Here we have the area of the rhombus 24 centimeter square, and the length of one diagonal is 8. So one diagonal meaning diagonal 1. We have diagonal 1 equal 8. To find the length of the other diagonal, I will use the magic triangle rule. So I first, to find diagonal 2, I will make area by 2 dividing diagonal 1. So I will make 24 by 2 divided 8 equal 6. So the diagonal 2 equal 6. Okay, now we have another exercise. If I have the area of the rhombus equal 48 centimeter square and its height equal 6 centimeter, find its perimeter. Okay, let's take it step by step. First, to find the perimeter of the rhombus, we say that perimeter of the rhombus, like perimeter of a square, it's equal side length by 4. So I will search for the side. To find the side, I will make area divided height, because we say the first rule to find the area of the rhombus, it's like the area of the parallelogram. So to find the side length, I will make area divided height. 48 divided 6 equal 8 centimeters. So I find the side length. The side length. Okay. Next, now I have the side length 8 centimeter. I will use it to find the perimeter. The perimeter of the rhombus, we say it's side by 4 equal 8 by 4 equal 32. Okay, for more practicing, you're going to find in our booklet, page 29 to study the rule, page 30 and page 31. Thank you and good luck.